Hi everyone, welcome. In the recent few videos, we learn how to create Jetton tokens, and then we learn how to mint Jetton tokens and also how we can burn. In this video, we will learn how to freeze a wallet that cannot transfer tokens. So simply you have to connect your wallet and come here on the manage tokens. You will see here your tokens in the list. So you can select on the token you want to change the functions like call a function, and here you can see a lot of functions: transfer tokens, burn tokens, mint tokens. You can also set a fee, like someone buy or sell or transfer tokens, you will get the percentage, and here you can maximum set 10%. Also you can pass and unpass the transfer. Here is the freeze and unfreeze wallet. So we can target a wallet. Let me search for tone viewer. Okay, we just copy a random address and we will paste it here and click on the freeze. So we have to pay the transaction fee, and this wallet, if have tokens, cannot move their Jetton tokens. Also you can unfreeze it, and here you can update the token metadata. Also you can lock the metadata, so no more make any changes in the metadata of Jetton tokens. Here you can transfer the ownership, and also you can revoke the ownership. And one more thing, keep in mind, and this functionality for that token who created from this platform. If you create a token from any other platform, so that will not work. You have to must create tokens here on TonSmith Launchpad, then you can get all these functionality. Otherwise you will see only these two options: transfer tokens and burn tokens. You cannot see others options. Okay, so wallet is the freeze. You can see here trending tokens, and you can launch your own token and also set the price for the liquidity, and you have to pay one token fee and it will be automatically launched. And also uh, here in the launch section also you can promote your token to here in the top, and also you can create here your token, simple tokens, and here you can create a new pool, and also you can manage your pools here.